Alright, let's talk about your car's thermostat valve. What it does, and how you can check or replace it yourself. So picture this. You start your engine, things heat up fast. The thermostat valve is the gatekeeper. It controls coolant flow between the engine and the radiator. When cold, the thermostat stays closed, coolant cycles inside the engine to warm it up fast. Around 195 degrees Fahrenheit, the thermostat pops open, letting coolant flow through the radiator to stabilize temp. Why care? Thermostat failure causes real problems. Stuck closed =engine overheats. Stuck open engine runs too cool. Running too cool worse fuel economy and more wear. How to test or swap it. Safety first. Pop the hood. Make sure the engine is cool. Wear gloves. Hot coolant can burn you. Find the thermostat housing. It's where the upper radiator hose meets the engine. Use a screwdriver or a socket wrench. Pull off the hose to expose the housing. Remove the bolts. The thermostat sits right there. To test, drop the thermostat in hot water with a thermometer. It should open near the temp stamped on it. About 195 degrees Fahrenheit. If it doesn't move, replace it. To install, spring side faces the engine. Clean the old gasket. Set the new thermostat in place. Bolt the housing back up tight. Top off coolant. Bleed air from the system so there are no air pockets. Done. You've handled a key cooling component. Watch your temperature gauge. If you see overheating or very low temps, now you know where to start. If this helped, hit subscribe for more car tips. Stay safe, keep wrenching.